Alright guys, Goodwill here, and we want to look at Expertnaire. So before I tell you what Expertnaire is or what the platform is all about, you have to understand what affiliate marketing is first of all, because that's the complete summary of what this video is all about and what I've been talking about in recent times on this channel. So affiliate marketing is simply you selling other people's products for a commission. So people create products, they list it on platforms, and then you affiliate these products for them, and in return you get a commission for this product. It is for the sales you make. You get commissions for the sales you make for that product. All right, so it is very simple. That is the very basic summary of affiliate marketing. Now, Expertnaire is an affiliate platform. All right, it's an affiliate platform, like a marketplace for affiliates, for affiliate products. So on this platform you have digital products that persons have created, and they've listed it there as a product. So you equally have the option to come and affiliate this product as an affiliate marketer, and then you get commissions for each sales that you make. All right, so to be able to do this is important for Nigerians, because it makes it easy for you to do affiliate marketing, because you receive your payment in Naira. You do not need VPNs and the troubles of trying to use a lot of back doors when you want to do affiliate marketing with international marketplaces. All right, so now that's the problem that Expertnaire is helping us solve as Nigerians. You can easily, from the comfort of your home, sit down and do affiliate marketing with ease. So for you to be able to do this, you need to first of all register on you have to register on the Expertnaire platform. So to be able to register, I'm going to put the link that you're going to register through in the description box. So you check the first link in the description, and you're going to see the link to register. Then when you register, you can come back and then look at what I'm trying to say in this video, what I'm trying to show you. So this is a new account I created, and as you can see, everything here is 0000. All right, so if you start making sales, this is your dashboard where your earnings will appear and everything. So once you are registered, the first thing you need to do is you come here, you come to your profile, and then you go to edit your profile. You come here and then you click on edit my profile. So down here, what you have to do is to fill in your bank details, because you'll be paid in Naira straight to your Nigerian bank account. So you have to fill in the correct details for the bank that you want to use for receiving your funds. All right, I'm even here to fill this because this is a new account. I'm going to do that after this video. So once you are done with that, you now come to the product marketplace. So from this product marketplace, you see products that you can affiliate. So these products, they have been listed, people have created this product. These products are targeted at solving problems for people. So they've been created, and all you have to do as an affiliate marketer is to push traffic to this product. And for instance, this first one here, it sells for 19,500, and you are going to be earning 50% affiliate commissions for every sale you make. That's a lot of money anywhere in the world. All right, so this one too is 40%, this is 50%, like that, and there are a whole lot of them. So for any of them you sell, you'll be getting commissions paid to you. So for you to actually begin, you need to get an affiliate link, and this affiliate link is dedicated to your profile. So what you have to do is you come here where it says view affiliate link, and here this is the affiliate link. So for every purchase that people make through this link, it will be credited to your profile, and you'll be paid 50% for it. All right, we are going to look at that link so you see what I'm talking about. So you copy that link, and then you open a new tab for it, For some reasons, if I open it in a new tab, it doesn't open. So you just have to copy the link and paste it in a new tab. So again, some very important things is that some of these products, they have made provisions for materials that you can use to promote them. I'm going to open one of them soon, but let's look at what we've been trying to open. So this is the landing page for the product you're affiliating, and for here, so this person has taken the effort of creating a landing page for you. So you don't necessarily need to create a landing page for this. All you have to do is share this link to people who would be interested in this product. This product is talking about STI, which is what's it called? It's a product for infection and all of that. So if you come down here, you see where people have the option to buy this product, and when they do, okay, like here, this is where your affiliate link is. So when they click on that, it's going to take them to a payment option, and for every payment they make to buy this course through this link, it will be credited to you. So this is how the payment is going to appear to the person who is buying. So every time they buy this, you'll be getting a 50% commission for selling this product. All right, so isn't that marvelous? Of course it is. So let's look at some that have provided you with promotional materials that you can use. So for these ones, you would need to create your own promotional materials that you use. That's if you want to run promotions like sponsored adverts, you have to go and create your own ad creatives. All right, but there are some of them here that will give you the ad creative. So let's look at this one. No, this one doesn't. Let's look at the cryptocurrency wallet builder. It equally doesn't. So let's look at if the real estate guys are there for us. Okay, so as you can see, this one has promotional materials. It's in a doc file. So what you have to do is you copy this link. Once you copy this link and you open it in your Google Docs, it's going to give you the promotional materials for this product. Let me just open it so you see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to copy it and open it here. So it should take me to my Google Docs. Okay, so as you can see, these are the promotional materials. You can see he's even creating target audiences for you if you want to target people. All right, so he has created a target audience for you if you want to run adverts. So he's taking a whole lot of the job away from you. All you have to do is run the advert. All right, so this is giving you targeting real estate agents, people interested in making money from real estate. These are people who have a high chance of buying this product. All right, so this is a swipe. This is you can use this as your primary test if you're running advert. All right, so this is a swipe 2. So this is a swipe 3, swipe 4, and all of that. So you have all the materials that you need to run run promotions for this very product. Let's look at another one. Let's look at the e-commerce secret book. This one is offering us 80% commission for every product we sell, but it doesn't give us something to work with. So this one is 102,000 and you are getting 50%. So for every product you sell, you'll be getting around 51,250 naira. So this pattern making, this is for people who are into fashion design and all of that. So it doesn't give us any material to work with. So we are going to, let's look at the 10S e-commerce. Still, that doesn't give us materials to work with. Oh, okay, let's go to the next page. Of course, you can create all these materials yourself by using Canva and all of that easy to use graphic design platforms. So let's look. Okay, this one gives us materials to work with. So I'm just going to open it too, so you see how she has assembled this for us. So you click on that and then you paste it and wait for it to come up. It's loading. Okay, so this one, she has he or she has created a promotional materials for us, and she has equally created some kind of messages, primary text that we can use for our advert too. So it's saying here we have a promo banner images we can use, and follow-up images, follow-up messages, blog articles, and all of that. So if you come down here, she has provided even testimonials of people who use this course, this product, and actually like it. So you can use all of these things to market. So it's cool. You don't really have to do a lot of things. You can use all of these things to market. All you have to do again is just run the advert. So you can download these are the flyers or banners, if you like, that you can use to run adverts to this product. So they've done a whole lot of the job for you. All you have to do is just push the traffic to this product. So it's an easy way for you to make money online in 2021, and it's actually very cool. All right, it's very cool. So you go through this product and you see the one you like. This one is Ultimate Move to Canada. Ultimate Move to Canada, and it goes for 25,000 and then 50% commission. And he or she equally provides us with the promotional files. As you can see, this one has email follow-ups. So he's even giving you, he has done like the write-ups. All you have to do is just send them. It's basically copy and paste. All right, if you want to use that. If you don't want, you have to go and create everything on your own, which equally works too. So it depends on what you want to do. So how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. Okay, this one doesn't give us anything. All right, but this is practically how you do it. You just copy the link. This is your affiliate link, and you embed this link in maybe your website or your advert, your WhatsApp, anywhere you are getting traffic from. You put it there, and for people who buy this, you'll be receiving commission. As easy as that. So that is how the Expertnaire platform works, and that's how you can start earning with the Expertnaire platform. So if something like this interests you, I'll put a link on how you're going to register in the description box. So you click on the first link you see there and you register. And in my next video, we'll be doing a structural video where we have to actually, I'll show you how you can even run the Facebook advert using any of the products you like. I will probably be telling you some of the products that you should focus on selling, and then you see how you can make money through it. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.